The world around you becomes clearer with Epic Earth.
So you go first. I hear there's carnivorous plants here.
Oh, okay.
Might be your final video.
So we're walking along Flytrap Trail in Carolina Beach State Park, and we're looking for carnivorous plants. Venus flytraps, they only grow in certain areas, and they're actually rare to grow outside of this area. And so this is one of those spots, hence the name of the trail, Venus Flytrap. And it's actually a pretty easy trail. It's only like a half a mile, and you're supposed to see them along the trail. So
you know, you could buy them. When I was a kid, I actually had one. It ate my sea monkeys.
Sea monkeys. These spiders, we're seeing them everywhere. I mean, God, look at that. Look at that web. Can you see that web? That is quite the web.
Goes all the way up the tree.
My goodness.
You're gonna catch a deer later.
This is like arachnophobia to a T. See him crawling? Ew. You know, that's not yellow paint.
8-legged swamp creature.
Yeah. And just to let you know how humid it is here, I'm like dripping sweat at the moment, and I'm like in a mini dress. I'm like in a cotton mini dress, and I'm like dripping sweat. Yeah.
Get caught in a spider's web, baby.
In July.
Last you ever heard.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be creepy. Yeah, he just doesn't want to go into focus on the phone. The phone's even going, ew. Right there, you see him? Right there. You can
Bring your
move.
phone over here and get a picture of this badass spider.
Yep, right there.
He's like the one we saw yesterday, but a little more colorful.
Yeah, this guy's pretty cool looking. So we're still looking for the fly traps, and we're also looking for sundews.
I think they're this way, baby.
Think they're that way? No. Sundews almost look like amoebas. They've got all these like little tentacles that come off of them.
Some do, some don't.
So basically they say, you know, where the boardwalks are is where you want to look for them. I mean, that's where we saw the pictures, the purple pictures. And I'm saying pitcher like a pouring water pitcher. I know it sounds like picture, my accent.
What accent?
Yeah, my Valley Girl accent.
You're confused.
Anyways, so this is definitely an accessible trail, the Flytrap Trail. It's very short. There's many trails through here. There's some great sinkholes that are filled with water, where you can see a lot of great birds and lily pads and things like that. But right now, we're looking for the sundew plant, we're looking for the pitchers, and we're looking for the fly traps. Now, the fly traps are pretty small, kind of have a brownish purple color to them, and they, you know, they can be as small as a dime. So they're not these huge plants that you know, you really have to take a look and look for. Same with the sundews, they're not real big either. We did find them, and they're really, really small. And so there's like this ground covering that look like little rosettes. I'll show you a picture of, and they're extremely small. I mean,
Don't you know what you're looking
like
for?
right
They're
there.
all over the place.
Yeah, once you figure it out, they're everywhere.
That one's cool because it's got one closed, one starting to open, one completely open, one partially open.
Yeah, see these little rosette things right here? Little tiny ground covering. That's where you find them. See them, the pictures. Not picture, like a pouring pitcher.
What
They're-
are you talking about?
They're filled with like this sticky goo, and the bugs can't get in there thinking it's water, and then they can't get back out. These right here.
Those are cool.
So those are carnivorous. So they're like they go down into the, see, there's a fly right there. It's about ready to get caught. He's like,
Don't do it.
I might have to get my
You dumb bastard.
telephoto out. Don't do it. You're going to go in there and you will never get back out. So these are really cool. So basically the fly lands on them. They go down the tube thinking it's like water. They fill up with, rainwater. And they can't get back out.
Oh no! Help! Help! Just like in that movie, The Fly.
Born to be
There's a fly sitting
alive.
right there. He's waiting to be eaten.
Yeah, we're seeing all these flies all around them. All right, so let's see if we can go find some Venus flytraps. You know what's so funny is that there's pine cones, but yet you're in this like tropical environment, and there's still these pine trees.
Yeah, it's true. If all them big old pine cones.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them up there.
Definitely a coastal pine.
It's a very cool area.
Nothing but sand.
Yeah, the trail's got a lot of sand on it. So basically, the ocean's like right there, and then the intercoastal area is over here. Here, flytrap, here, flytrap. So, they are very small. Let's see if we can get them with this camera. They're extremely small. There they are, right there. And they're all low to the ground. Before you go out, make sure you check out the visitor center so you can identify what you're looking for.
The world around you becomes clearer with Epic Earth.